First topic of today is going to be how we are going to connect servers to our access ports, right? These are my access switches, and believe me, we are moving from campus network towards the data center. Now we are talking about servers and only servers. That is perfectly fine if I connect a server like this with over a single wire, but you must be thinking, what is going to happen if Sports India complete server is running here and more than 50,000 connections come to this server every day? Try to understand, if this link goes down, then it's a problem, right? What we can do now, we can connect this server with over two links. If I do that, spanning tree is going to block it. Interesting, right? Then I can think a solution to run ether channel between them. If that is the case, the server should understand LACP protocol, right? Link Aggregation Control Protocol. Otherwise, how you are going to make the ether channel? Switch understand, we all know, because switch can create ether channel with others, right? So there are many ways you are going to connect these servers, right? What is going to happen if this server is running many virtual machines? It means we need to understand concept of virtualization. Believe me, one server can run maybe 20, 30, 40 virtual machines. And inside these servers, you are going to have different VLANs. Yes, inside servers, we can have different VLANs. It means that the link between the server and the switch can carry traffic for multiple VLANs. And if it can carry traffic for multiple VLANs, this link should be the trunk link. It means that server should understand the trunk because it can tag packet while sending out. Really interesting, right? It can be access port, but for switch it's a problem. If it goes down, the server, so for server, one port is a problem. If you do not make bundle, it's a problem. What is going to be if this is a trunk port, right? Another interesting case is, believe me, and that is what I have explained here. And I would like you to think about this. I would literally like you how you can connect your servers with this access port. Now we are talking about data center networking, because in data center you are going to see many servers, right? At the end of the day, access switches are going to be connected with servers. Laptop or PC requirements are different. Believe me, if laptop goes out for a particular period of time, if this link goes down, only one guy is going to be affected. But if server goes down, many people are going to be affected. Interesting. The port between a server and a switch can be access port. It's a problematic. If this goes down, server is not reachable. Trunk means server should send tagged packets. Ether channel means it should understand LACP. And believe me, today's servers understand all these things. Believe me. And this is the last board of today. What is going to happen, right? If a server is connected with two access switches, generally, if I connect a server with two access switches, right, here and here, what is going to happen, guys? This server is going to have a MAC address, suppose AAA. This interface is 0/1, this interface is 0/2. What is going to happen right now? The MAC address will be learned here and here. These switches are going to be mad, right? Access switch 1 is going to say the server is connected here. Access switch 2 is going to say the server is connected here, and it's a problem, right? As a server guy, you are creating a very good network. You are saying if two interfaces are active, then my server is going to be reachable all the times. But from the network perspective, it is going to be a problem because sometimes this MAC address is learned over 0/1, sometime here. And that is known as MAC address flapping. How to avoid this? Guys, I'm planting seed of another technology which I'm going to discuss in the next class, which is VPC. This is a cool method. This should be active, this should be standby. If this goes down, then basically this is going to be active again. But for that, we need to understand little bit of servers, little bit of server virtualization also, which we are going to cover in the next class. Now,